Hey guys, so this is gonna be the concluding part for this part. Yeah, so this is gonna be the concluding part for the video. I don't know, episodes. I don't know. Idea. So I brought a heat shrink and I have this so I can do that and then strip off the wires because I cut them off because I couldn't because the wires were inside of here and I couldn't. Yeah. So yeah, let me just do that and I'll be right back. So I got all the wires and I put heatsink on it, and so I'm just gonna attach this part to this and then put it over there. Yeah. So let me just do that. And all right, so I tied it up. It's good. And now it's this one. I already have all the heat shrinks. And yeah, I'll be back. So I needed to make this quick because there's already mosquitoes and it's dark outside. Yeah, so I got it all set up. I did the motors and I set up two like these. This was a gyroscope inside of it, so it's like if I turn this on, look. So as you can see one, two, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 8 rings, and that means it's spinning at 200 or 300. For some reason, this one doesn't work. This wheel doesn't work at all. Maybe the phases are out or something. Oh, let me try this. There you go. No. All right.